The Contacta V22 is a powerful, constant current, single-output hearing loop driver. It is suitable for hearing loop systems in medium to large venues, for perimeter and figure-8 loop layouts. The V22 delivers an optimal combination of efficiency and power, combining its cutting-edge performance with a feature-rich package, easily controlled from the LCD display. Key features include an easy-to-use LCD user interface, power performance, 12 amps and 22 volts RMS, intelligent continuous loop diagnostic technology, cascadable and adjustable audio time delay of up to 70 milliseconds, switchable AGC, on/off, adjustable 7-step DSP-controlled high-frequency compensation, 70-volt line input and a separate line output. When purchased, the V22 will come boxed like this. Inside the box, you will find a user manual, a power lead, a bag with connectors and plugs, including an XLR to Phoenix adapter. Depending on the version and the region you are in, the connector types and other contents of accessories may be different. Rack mounting ears for fitting the driver into a 19-inch rack. Then, protected in these foam inserts in a sealed poly bag, we have the V22 hearing loop driver. On the rear of the driver you have all the connection points. On the far right is the hearing loop output plug, a line output plug, input B, mic and line port, input A, which is transformer isolated, and you have line input, 100 volt or MP3 input. This connection is for factory use only. On the far left is the power supply. I will now talk you through the V22 hearing loop driver menu. When power is applied and the driver has been connected to a hearing loop, it will automatically perform an analysis of the loop. When the analysis is complete, the display screen on the front of the driver will appear like this. This is the loop status, which will display the loop output. Rotate the dials to scroll through the menu settings. This is indicated by up and down arrows on the display screen. The second menu option is the loop set drive. This is to set the current input, which is adjusted in 1 amp steps by pressing the dial and increasing or decreasing the drive level by rotating the dial. Once at the desired level, press again to confirm. The real-time current is displayed on the top line, and the bottom line indicates the strength of the loop output adjustment. The next setting is AGC control, which is automatic gain control. This is a new feature of the V22 loop driver. This comes set on, but can be turned off by pressing the dial and selecting off. The driver has 3 types of inputs, including a 100 volt line-in option. The next setting is input A level. This can be adjusted over a range of 47 decibels. Rotate the dial accordingly and the text on the display indicates if the correct line level has been achieved. Good indicates the level is at an optimum level for the automatic gain control to operate. Input B level can be used for either line level or microphone level signals. This is again adjusted by rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise until the desired level has been reached. The next setting is phantom power. This is for a connected microphone and is set to off as the default setting. This can be changed to on if required by the connected microphone. High frequency compensation is the next menu option. There are 7 levels of high frequency compensation available to adjust for metal loss. The hearing loop driver will have high frequency compensation turned to the lowest setting as default. This can be adjusted by rotating the dial and pressing to confirm and return to the main menu. The input high pass filter removes low frequency sounds from the hearing loop when background noise such as air conditioners might impact users. Press the dial and adjust to the required setting. Now we come to acoustic time delay, another new feature on the V22 driver, which allows you to delay the signal sent through the loop. In theatres, stadiums, or other large venues, sound sent from speakers will be impacted by the speed of sound, whereas audio sent through a hearing loop will reach a user instantly. This feature allows alignment of the two, so that users have a far better listening experience. Adjustments are made in milliseconds, meters, or feet. The next setting is the backlight timeout. Rotating the control dial clockwise or anti-clockwise will toggle the screen's backlight on and off. This is useful when carrying out loop tests and during longer setup processes. View System Parameters is the final menu option and displays the loop diagnostics. Rotating the control dial clockwise will first display the loop resistance and loop inductance, then the internal heatsink. Rotating the dial clockwise again will display the internal power supply voltages. These are all of the functions of the main menu. The two LED lights here are the clip status light and open circuit loop. When the clip status light is lit, this indicates that the signal on the hearing loop output is clipping. The open circuit loop LED indicates the status of the loop integrity. The driver will display various error messages if it detects issues with continuity, or if there may be ground faults relating to the loop wire itself. This concludes the demonstration of the V22 hearing loop driver. For further information and to view our product ranges, visit our website www.contacta.co.uk, email us at sales@contacta.co.uk, or call us on 01732 223 900.